see. So I had the drift truck out again, a few mods to it this time. So we've got the Tamiya Fatfox drift truck, ignore the camera mount. So mods, we've chucked some oil-filled suspension on the front, we've got the metal drive shafts, metal steering, metal diff locker to go in, got a centre alloy drive shaft coming, so I'll put the diff locker in when that comes. Yeah, as you can see, missing a wheel on the back. Yeah, the curb smashed it out unfortunately, so see how we go. So I hope you like the video, guys. You know what to do: like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks guys, bye. Oh no!
Can you screw it back on?
Nah, it's done.